Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you Michael Sarant?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Sarant, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 1691. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from October 16th of 2025. Since you've made bond, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I talked to one place, but I've really been trying to get a hold of Legal Star and the Pro Bono Association, but haven't really got much friction from it.
So, I can tell you they typically do not handle criminal cases. You were given a court-appointed lawyer while you were in custody. You still have that lawyer, but once you've made bond, I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days, give you some time to see if you can get someone hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If you do get someone hired, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 attorneys. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that,
Right away the judge is laying down the rules. Notice how she's giving the defendant a chance to hire private counsel, but she's also making it crystal clear that doing nothing is not an option in court. Judges watch effort just as much as results, and if he ignores that order, bond increase straight back to jail. That escalated fast.
then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Delvin Jones.
Sorry. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. You're Delvin Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Jones, were you able to get someone hired?
No,
Who'd you talk to?
talked about 20 people, but I wrote down the Jervis Kelly Law Firm, Pecker, Cray Attorney, and Willard Law Firm, with plenty more.
Okay. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm working for Craigslist, like different gigs and trying to save up some money, so I'm just been trying to really stop.
You're working for Craigslist doing what?
Like different gigs, like, painting and stuff like that.
This is one of those moments people underestimate. A lot of viewers here just talk to 3 lawyers and think it's a casual suggestion. Nope, that's now a court order. Would you risk jail over paperwork and phone calls? Let me know in the comments, because this judge is not playing around.
Okay. Have you tried to go get a job somewhere else, like a full-time job?
Indeed, a lot of stuff, they kind of look on your background and stuff like that. Just like Domino's, the different driver, they was gonna hire me, but they looked at my work and stuff like that.
Right. What's the status of that theft case over in Llano?
It's really about done. They wanna, they say something about deferred probation. What it's gonna be pretty
When's
much
your next court date over there?
the 29th, I believe. They were saying something about it's not going to be anything on my record that with the case from what my attorney was over there was saying.
Okay. So you have an attorney over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, race the harsh reality of having a criminal record hanging over your head. The defendant says jobs keep checking his background, and suddenly even basic employment becomes a struggle. Courtrooms aren't just about guilt or innocence, they're also about how one case can ripple through someone's entire life.
All right. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Jones, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that everything in it is true. If you'll step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork and give you your instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
Darius Sparks. Good morning, you're Darius Sparks. And Mr. Sparks, did you get someone hired?
No, it didn't go how I planned it to go.
Say it again.
It didn't go how I planned it. When the last court date, we started discussing about the 750, when I called back.
So here's the thing, it's been 30 days and I've probably seen hundreds of people.
And this is where the process shifts. The judge is now looking at whether Mr. Jones qualifies for a court-appointed attorney, but listen carefully, she emphasizes accuracy under oath. If someone lies on financial paperwork to get a free lawyer, that can create a whole new legal problem on top of the original case.
So remind me of what you were gonna do.
We discussed the lawyer, the law firm, gonna have a Jones.
Uh-huh,
And I told them that they wanted $750,000.
right.
I talked to them again, it was $2,000. So that could be.
Did you talk to some other lawyers then?
I talked to them, but I don't remember the names. They wanted me to pay to talk to them, but I couldn't pay to talk to them at the moment. I ain't have to pay them.
Right. Are you working?
Yeah, I'm working, but
Where are you working?
I'm working at FedEx.
But-
It's part-time, but
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Sparks, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Yes.
You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true.
yes,
Step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork.
yes, thank you.
This exchange is rough. Imagine being told you may have to pay just to speak with an attorney when you're already struggling financially. It highlights one of the biggest criticisms of the legal system. Justice can start feeling expensive before your case even begins.
So, Mr. Walker, you've got a Laura Adams.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay, except that I can't hear this morning. I've got just this.
Keep hearing. Let's not that.
I felt like it just got worse too. It's like it just went, whoosh, you know, you get that sound.
Hearing our voices. Yeah,
Yeah, y'all did it to me.
every time you'd say, I can't hear you, I'd say, do what? Yeah, my equilibrium, the whole deal. I'll get with Ms. Case on Miss Adams, and I think we'll have this resolved pretty quick.
Okay, Ms. Malfino's
It's
there.
Ms. Malfino's judge. She's not going to be here this morning. She does have a note that she needed to have a conversation with Judge Walker about working this case out. I think they have an agreement. They just need to have it hammered out.
Here she comes, Judge.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Laura Adams? Yes. And this is 25 DCCR 0870. Ms. Adams is charged with injury to a child, elderly, or a disabled individual. And it sounds like you need a little time to visit with Ms. Malfino and get this worked out. So I'm going to reset your case, Ms. Adams. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Walker. He'll let you know when you need to be back. And you guys can visit about your case before then, okay? You're free to go. And you have Aaron Shetley.
The mood suddenly changes here. After several tense hearings, the courtroom breaks into laughter for a second, and moments like this are rare in criminal court. But don't let the lighter tone fool you. Laura Adams is facing a very serious charge involving injury to a child, elderly person, or disabled individual. The stakes are still incredibly high.